I have a gem here, a 1987 Monte Carlo Super Sport, a 2-owner, brand new paint with 13,800 miles, buckets, console, beautiful interior, beautiful exterior. We got some original documentation there, the floor mats, excellent guys. Reflection is brand new. If you need financing, you will need good credit and 10% down. You can get that at MGMClassicCars.com. And also, if you need delivery, numbers matching, if you need delivery on this thing, send me your zip code. My number is 847-848-1850. Please send me a text for quicker response. Thanks for watching.